fiance and blam it like, oh, yes, if he was my son, I'll send him to the military. Oh, you ain't a hustler, man, you just stole a dictionary. Always showing your dimples, cause you're a limp-wristed fairy. Gina did a track with Paris Hilton, now he's really married.
Get violent, money wanna try me, and something on the tip of my blicky that spit silent. I don't feel haters, and if you feeling some kind of way, email them and tell them you still jaded.
Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Put it back, what are you doing? Nigga, she ain't from here, nigga. I'm a star. Still singing this song, I'm a star. With a boombox and a dollar mic. Shit is gay, nigga. You better check your closet.
Oh, I got these guys big time.
And she was about this size when she started walking. And one of the biggest problems...
Look at this. You see them on video?
Was the fact that
you see them moving?
we were trying to hold her hand...
Look at that. They're so guilty. That's super night vision.
As she celebrated her second, third, and fourth birthdays, Nicolette was still much less than half the height of children the same age.
You're on tape.
She was profoundly growth delayed, but no one in New Zealand could tell her parents why.
It wasn't until we finally convinced the paediatrician to get us to go to a specialist at Starship Hospital, when they just said basically they were just as standard as we were.
Just peeking in the window.
Yeah, the doctor was there. He was a specialist. We said, look, here's our child. She's not growing. She's sort of 10 months. She's reaching her goal. She's walking. She's this high. And he was just astounded. Yeah, he didn't know what to make of it either.
He basically just...
This is classic. I got him on the night vision. Big time.
And he would go and get others to come and look and go, wow, she's so little. Saying, oh, you know, it'll happen, but it wasn't happening.
As more medical information became available through the internet,
look at you guys.
the data, hoping for an explanation to Nicolette's size. Gary focused on...
And in the toilet, initially, because the toilet bowl was too large for her, we had one specially made. As she did get a little bit bigger and had her own mobility, we then had steps put in so she could use it.
That guy's right here. He's not showing up.
By lowering down a sink and giving her her own tap.
So these are just some of the clothes that she wore. This one here, she probably wore when she was between 3 and 4, and we actually took it off a Cabbage Patch Kid doll. This is also from a doll. Somebody made it from a doll's pattern. This is a pair of her swim tops.
That is hot.
She was about 3 when she went those. And this one we took off a doll that we had, and she wore that till she was, about 5 or 6. Yeah. She was at school when she stopped wearing that one.
Initially we had a single normal sized bed for my sister, but then my parents realised that she could fall out and hurt herself, so they decided to get a tailor-made bed for her. And as you can see, it's lowered to the ground so that she doesn't hurt herself if she falls out.
By the time Nicolette reached school age, Linda had begun to suspect her daughter had primordial dwarfism. Every website talked about how rare it was, but Linda felt and results in seizures.
Millennia writing about love.
Diplomacy by... It's Kissinger all over again.
I think that I shall never see a poem as lovely as it.
You can see 3 of them in here.
Let us
This is ridiculous. You see, wow, look at all, there's a lot of action going on out here.
Administration, soft power. Appeal to the world's youth so that they don't grow up wanting to kill us before our fast food culture can kill them.
On her first trip, Clinton is striking out on her own, trying to reach young Indonesians by appearing on their favorite music show called Awesome.
I'm thrilled to be back here in Jakarta and to have a chance to be on this awesome show.
Very clever use of the word awesome on the Awesome show.